And it's so crazy because I'm happy, but I just cannot stop crying. I can't stop bawling. Like, what the fuck? Do you guys know how long I've been waiting for this shit? I've been waiting.
Lamar Odom's controversial new move involving a custom doll that resembles Khloe Kardashian, a Jamaican pastor facing serious charges in New York, and some exciting Grammy nominations for Shenseea, Vybz Kartel, and more. Let's dive into each of these topics, break them down, and I'm always eager to hear your thoughts. Alright, let's start with Lamar Odom. This one's causing quite a stir. Former NBA player Lamar Odom has reportedly ordered a custom life-size doll modeled after his ex-wife, Khloe Kardashian. According to his manager, Gina Rodriguez, Lamar discovered the real doll facility after seeing an ad, and he just had to get one for himself. Now, he's been spotted at the facility in Vegas, browsing their collection, which includes some semi-clothed and fully lifelike dolls. Lamar even managed to get a discount, and he specifically requested that the doll's face resemble Khloe. Apparently, he's looking for the same curvy figure that made Khloe famous. These dolls typically cost between $8,000 and $20,000, so it's a big investment. There's a video circulating of Lamar checking out one of the dolls and commenting on its shape, hinting that he's quite impressed. Now, what do you all think about this? Do you feel this is a creative way for Lamar to work through his past? Or do you think it's pushing things a bit too far? Let me know in the comments.
That one?
This is called squirt machine.
Oh, these ones might be wet. So perfect. I'll hold this one for you for now. Or can they make you?
Listen, man, are you going like this?
No, not that way.
So we got one of the more popular ones.
Oh, wow.
It's the body app, biggest tits, biggest ass. What more can you ask for?
She's bad.
You really wanted to keep one.
It look like I can see. It look like I can see the top.
She has the biggest ass in the building.
Yeah?
Yeah, out of the dolls, yeah.
I can see her ass from the front.
That's how you know it's good.
Yeah, I can look. She's shaped like a woman. I can see her thighs.
Ooh. Look at the foot. Look at the ankle. Even, right?
Hey, yo, it's crazy because it looked like right here. It looked like she got blood running through her veins right here. Am I bugging or am I going crazy? Look.
No,
Hyper-realism.
it's the detail that's
You see?
put in here.
Look,
That's
Gina.
K right over there.
Yeah.
Specialty makeup. I mean,
Artistry.
yeah.
Fuck.
So we
That's
put
why it's
into
called a
every
real
outfit.
doll.
I see
Even
that.
her hands, you just gotta like
real.
fix them, but you know what I mean? Like her fingers and her hands.
Imagine how much you'd love shopping for her, Lamar.
Yeah, no.
Bras and panties.
This will make me probably get into women's fashion too.
Oh, it sure would.
Women's fashion.
I'm being that serious.
I hear you.
Make women's clothes.
Yeah.
Because I love clothes.
Some warm-ups for travel days. Some dresses.
Whatever reason you're getting the doll of her.
Next up, we have a more serious story about Reverend Edward Richard Hines, a Jamaican-born pastor living in Brooklyn, New York. Reverend Hines has recently been charged with having inappropriate relations with a 16-year-old male, with charges formally filed in the Brooklyn Supreme Court. This story has sparked outrage, especially within the local community. It's always shocking when someone in a trusted position like a pastor is accused of something so serious. Many are questioning the impact this could have on the community's trust and how situations like these can be prevented in the future. What are your thoughts on this case? Do you think these types of incidents hurt public trust in community leaders? I'd love to hear what you think. Now, let's switch gears to some exciting music news. Both Shenseea and Vybz Kartel have earned Grammy nominations for Best Reggae Album. Shenseea, who's been making waves internationally, got her first solo nomination for her latest album, Never Gets Late Here. She's collaborated with big names like Wizkid, Masika, and even Latin star Anita, bringing a fresh twist to reggae and dancehall. As for Vybz Kartel, he's received his first Grammy nod for his album Party With Me, released in May. This is particularly huge because it comes shortly after his release from prison following his successful appeal. Also in the running are the Wailers with their second Grammy nomination, Collie Buddz with his album Take It Easy, and the Bob Marley One Love soundtrack featuring various artists like Skip Marley and Jesse Reyes. The Grammy ceremony will be held on February 2nd, 2025, so we'll see who takes home the award. Which artist are you rooting for? Do you think Vybz Kartel's nomination marks a new chapter in his career? Or will Shenseea's unique sound win the night? Drop your thoughts below.
And it's so crazy because I'm happy, but I just cannot stop crying. I can't stop bawling. Like, what the fuck? Do you guys know how long I've been waiting for this shit? I've been waiting ever since I found out that I could sing, okay? Never Gets Late here, nominated for Best Reggae Album. Oh my god. And just try to vote for me now.